Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your email address on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account. After that go for this profile icon over here and go for settings and privacy. So okay, wait for a second. So when you are in this page you have to go for this sign in and security option and go for email address here. Okay, uh, yeah, then go for add email address. Now you have to add your new email address here. So I'll type my new email address here. Okay, now enter your new password. No, enter your LinkedIn password here. So I'll just okay. Now we can save it here and uh, go for resend verification link. Okay, wait for it. So now you have to just go for your new email addresses mailbox. Okay, so here is the mail. Just click on this mail. Now you have to just type your password here, which is here, and just go for sign in. Or okay, just wait for a minute. Now it's done, I think. Wait for it. Okay, now you can see, yeah, there is an option as make primary. So click on it and enter your password and go for make primary. Oh, just you have to enter your password here. Go for make primary. Okay, it's done. So guys, this is how you can change. You can see here you can change your email address on LinkedIn. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.